Hello to the third video on Momentum Investing Club. Today we'll go over the concept of how to actually calculate momentum of any stock. So I'll just get started. So today is 5th of September, a long break. But let's get started. So the way to calculate momentum score of a stock, any stock, is basically the best way to do it is by calculating its rate of change. Rate of change essentially just means the percentage change a stock has had over a specific duration. The most important part about rate of change is the duration. So we need to figure out what exact duration one needs to consider when calculating momentum of a stock. In momentum terms, this duration is called as look back period. Now, as I mentioned, look back period is just a period over which we'll calculate the rate of change. Let's just go ahead and calculate momentum and see how I actually do it. So here's the software, Chartink. You can use the different one as well, but here's the one I used. And this will I'll show you how I've created one. You can create one as well. So on the screens, you just have to create a new scan. I'll just show over my recent one. So here's the this is. So you can see here, this is the formula for rate of change. The formula for rate of change is basically the price today divided by the price a specific duration ago minus one, and you just convert that into percentage by multiplying it by 100. So let's say we want to calculate the price change over a duration of 12 months or 52 weeks. The formula for that is will be the weekly close divided by 52 weeks ago close minus one, and we'll convert it into percentage by multiplying it by 100. We'll also set what index this needs to run over. So let's just choose Nifty Next 50 for this and just run this scan. So here we have the score for all the stocks in Nifty Next 50 index. Bosch is the highest within last 12 months. It has a rate of change of 26%. TVS Motor up next, close 26 again. So you get the momentum score for each of these stocks here. Now we go to a different one as well. Let's go to a monthly column where we let's assume this is a monthly rebalanced portfolio, and we have the same look back period of 12 months or 52 weeks or 252 days, but we'll be calculating it in monthly terms. So in this case, the formula will be monthly close divided by 12 months ago close minus number one and 200. So I'll just show you how to create this. So let's just say we have to showcase this in mathematical form. So this is how you could represent. You could write it down on a piece of paper as well. So it needs to be close. Instead of daily, we choose the monthly close. You'll have to say divided by again close, and the monthly, the look back period is 12 months. We'll subtract number one from it and then multiply by 100 to convert to percentage. That's it. That's the formula. You can name this as 12 months look back for. That's it. You just have to write down this formula, choose your index. You can choose it over Nifty, Nifty Next 50, over small cap index, anything. So that's it for rate of change. Once you run this, you have a screen. You can save this. Once saved, you can download it. Once downloaded, open it in your sheets, and you have a sheet ready with all the stocks ranked from 1 to 50, the strongest, highest momentum score to the lowest momentum score. Easiest way to calculate and the best way to calculate momentum of any stock. Yeah, now that's done. Up next video, and talk about how to choose the correct look back period. Should it be 3 months, 6 months, 12 months? What are the benefits of choosing one over another? And also, what are the risks or cons of choosing lower period over the higher periods? That's it for this video. For more details, you can check out momentuminvesting.club. It's a newsletter where I share insights on momentum investing, and also I share out my own portfolio that I've created using these exact principles. So you get to see how a momentum portfolio is performing. That's it for today. Bye bye. See you soon.